everybody, it's Bryan Shein with Pacific Sky Games. Here for a quick unboxing. We have with us today Patrol World War II by author Damond Crump. Let's get to opening these rules. This is the fun part. Trying to actually open it. Alright, we have Patrol World War II. We have 2 copies of Patrol World War II, full color, glossy, front, back. I'm impressed. Patrol World War II. 71 pages. We've got complete rules. Complete rules for World War II, playing skirmish. You have in the back a whole section which includes rules and reference sheets also for the Korean conflict. So if you are a fan of Patrol World War II, a fan of World War II skirmish gaming in the Korean conflict, pick up your set of Patrol World War II.